Welcome back. Now you may have issues in the purchase and or activation process of Dragon or the upgrade, and these are issues that others have dealt with. We're going to go through them in this video. Now one thing that you'll want to note is that Nuance will take PayPal as payment on your checkout page. So even if you don't see it as an option, when you get to the point where you are ready to either upgrade and pay for that upgrade or pay for your Dragon download, you will look for PayPal as an option, and it should be on your checkout page. You may find there's a discrepancy between your old account and the new one that you'll need to create. If that's the case, you will need to find your original receipt. When you get that original receipt, you'll have an order number on that receipt. You need to take that order number and go to the website findmyorder.com. When you get there, you may have to use the forgot password if you can't remember what the password was for your order when you originally purchased Dragon Naturally Speaking. Now this process does not work for you. You'll need to get your credentials and then contact Nuance directly. And their United States support number is 1-800-654-1187 as of the recording of this video. If you find that that number does not work, you'll need to use the search engine to find another support number for Nuance. Now when you call Nuance, make sure that you have the email that you used to create your account as you made your purchase. Now you will have serial numbers, and you're going to want to make sure that they are written in your password manager as soon as you get them. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.